Hello guys, it's Adam Cuber here, and I will be solving a Rubik's Cube for y'all. So, I got my 15 seconds of inspections ready. I will scramble it first. So. Alright, my 15 seconds of inspection time starts right now. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. .56 seconds. This is my time. Solved cube. The next video I will make a tutorial on how to solve this, so y'all will know. And please leave a like and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you know when my videos come out. Hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.